do some surgery, folks. There we go. Alright, I got him, man. Nice little chunk, 4 to 5 pound class range. So the goal today is at least an 8 pound bass. Fouled up. Starting to come alive down here early. Oh yeah, it's a good Everglades bass right there. Another in that 4 to 5 pound class range. Bingo, baby, right there. Dog him right in the water there. Little fish. Oh, I tried to kill him in the water. Good. Yeah, really. Hey, so all you folks on YouTube, I want to, especially you guys that are subscribing to my channel, Captain Shane 100, I really appreciate it. I enjoy doing this, and I'm glad somebody else likes to watch, so I really thank you a lot. A couple of you guys have sent me some interesting questions. You guys wanted to see me do some topwater down here, but oh man, let's put it this way: when the water comes back up and I'm in my boat, I'll topwater the heck out of it. But right now, while I'm on the bank, it's just not safe. These gators, they just can't take it, you know. They just can't take a topwater bait. It drives them insane. I'll bet you anything we catch a 7 or 8 pound bass here in a minute. I ain't saying we're going to land him. I hope we can land him. you go, baby. That's in here. The bigger bass are good and healthy. Bigger. Thing about light tackle, they all feel big. I like light tackle. I'll tell you, that's where it's at. I mean, with the exception of throwing that braid, that 65-pound braid, that's my rough cover rod and reel. Normally it's just 10-pound test. That's all I use, 10 pound. Oh man, this is prime fishing conditions right here. If you're, all you bass fishermen, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You've been fishing all day. You get out there and all of a sudden it starts to rain on you. Oh my goodness, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I like. All fouled up. Yeah, I like fishing in the rain. I love me some fishing in the rain. So y'all make sure and stay tuned. Next video coming up after this one will be with my buddy from Boston, Jimmy Walsh. He's actually not from Boston, from Fall River, Mass. Jimmy Walsh, I'll have him in the boat next week. Not sure where we're going. We may do a little snakeheading / bass fishing, most likely. Stay tuned next week to see me and Jimmy Walsh in the boat. Wow, I threw that one in the tree. Got it out there. Oh my goodness. Oh, folks. Okay, I missed a monster fish. First of all, it was hung up in the tree. I ripped it out of the tree, and I saw the fish that took it initially. He was the one we was looking for. I guess I jerked it out of his mouth or whatever. And then this one, that little one, swooped in and got it. That's pretty cool. I'm going to go back over there. Did we have a pattern? A little one. Man. I tell you folks, with light tackle, I love bass fishing with light tackle. There ain't nothing like it. Oops. Sorry, Mr. Bass. Yeah, I love fishing with light tackle bass. Don't get me wrong, there's a time when, you know, that the conditions dictate that I gotta go to my bigger, stouter sticks, heavier braids. But normally in these Everglades, I catch some good fish. Oh, he's tail walking. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. That's a better fish right there now. Nice little chunk. I had my buddy Jay Thompson in the boat with me the other day. He was in a private rock pit. He caught an 8-pound, 8-ounce bass. That son of a gun was huge. 8 pounds, 8 ounces. It's on one of my videos. It's a short video. I didn't get any fishing segments off of it because, you know, when I'm in the boat, it's hard to fish. It's hard to operate a camera and fish at the same time. 8 pounds, 8 ounces, man. That was a hog. It was a hog. Still early yet. I mean, there ain't no reason for me to leave. But you know, when I'm not getting the fish that I want. I mean, I've got some 4 to 5 pound class fish today, but hadn't got the 5, 6, 7, 8 pound class. I really don't want to sit out here and dink it up all day, but there again, you know, that's fishing. I mean, you can sit out there and dink it up all day, and it only takes that one fish. Look, me and Jay was in the boat the other day, and we caught 24 fish, and I'd say 17 of them were under a pound. 17 were under a pound. We caught a couple in the 2 to 3 pound class range, and then that one 8.8 pound hog. So I mean, that's fishing. You know, you get out there, you just spend your time on the, spend your time, do what you know to do, and hopefully it'll produce for you. Oh. Like I said, we're just dinking it up now. See, what's a dink? You know what a dink is, them little bitty things. Those dinkers. Sometimes you gotta fish through them. Fish through them. There we go, folks. That's a better fish. He's way down there. You can't see him in that. Oh, yeah. Not a bad one, but he ain't he's not. Nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Get out of him, Rock. There we go. I'll tell you what. All right, folks. Good day in the Everglades. Caught 3 or 4 fish in the 4 to 5 pound range, and probably 20 plus fish, you know, those dinks and everything. But it was fun, a lot of fun. Hey, y'all check it out next week when I'm going to have my friend Jimmy Walsh from Fall River, Massachusetts on. We're going to be in the boat. We're going to be over in Miami or Loxahatchee or Holiday Park or Sawgrass or Broward County fishing for snakeheads or bass, I'm not sure. So stay tuned. Check back next week, all right? Captain Shane out.